Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the USB-C charging port on a phone. Samsung Galaxy S8. What's the first thing we need? The phone must be turned off. Never clean your phone while it's turned on. So if yours is on, you need to turn it off. And only then can we start the whole procedure. We need isopropyl alcohol, pure enough in terms of percentage, so it will loosen the dirt and then evaporate without leaving any trace. We need a brush with flexible bristles, and the bristles should be soft or medium hard, otherwise it will scratch the phone. And we need a little plastic tool that will simply help us pull out the dirt, especially from the ends or corners of the socket. We actually printed ours ourselves on a printer, 3D. The project is available for free online. And if not, you can buy ready-made ones, already printed, on Allegro or Amazon. Wherever you prefer, really. So once we have everything prepared, of course, if you don't have this little brush, or you can't use something like that, just like we did when we bought ours, you can always use a toothbrush. Just make sure, as I mentioned earlier, that it's soft or medium hard. And it will be a bit more complicated to use than a brush that's perfectly designed for cleaning the port. We moisten the brush thoroughly with alcohol. We take the phone in our hand. Here we have the charging port. We insert the brush as far as it will go into the port and move it in the other direction, just to make sure the entire port is cleaned. That way, all the dirt inside will soften in the port, and after a few tries, it will come out thanks to the movement of the brush. We make this movement about 10 to 15 times in one direction, and then we change direction. Ideally, you should do 20 to 30 movements in each direction, at least 2 to 3 times per direction. And only then will the port be perfectly cleaned. As I said, do the same on the other side. We only insert it as far as it will go, and then we move it in the other direction. And then again back in this direction. Just a few times as well, to make sure the port is thoroughly cleaned. After using the brush, we take a piece of plastic, insert it to the bottom, slide it all the way through, and pull it out. Now do the same in the other direction, sliding along the bottom of the port as far as it will go, and pull it back out. From the other side of the port, now slide it and pull it out, and do the same in the other direction, slide and pull out. Then set the phone aside. Leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate, and after that, you can use your phone as normal. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would really appreciate a thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in my next video.